Today I'm adding some special touches with these charms to my whimsical haunted houses. If you watched my video, you will have seen the tutorial I did on these using leftover scraps. And the one thing that I wanted to do with you today is add these special dangles off the sides and chimneys of these haunted houses. So I got a order from Globeland, and in it were these charms that I wanted to put to use. So we are going to walk through today. I've already pre-done this one as a sample, and I've prepared some of the components so that it won't take as long to show you exactly how I go about doing this. I just have to decide where. Believe it or not, I haven't even thought about where I'm going to put it here yet. But I almost think, let's see, yeah, I like that off the side there. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to come in with my crocodile and punch a hole and put in an eyelet. So just making sure that I'll be able to do both those things easily, and I will. Don't want to cut into the ribbon, although I guess it wouldn't really matter. So I think about there is going to be good. And the eyelets I'm going to use from We Are Memory Keepers. I'm going to go with black. I'm going to take, I'm actually going to do gray on that one because it's got more gray. Use gray for this one when we get to that. So that black one will go in here. And then we can start to build off the edge. I'm just going to squeeze this shut, not too tight. There we go. Okay, that's cute. Okay, I'm happy with the way that that's turning out. Let's move this one off to the side. So I have these bulb pins, and then I'm going to use them to create these ways of hanging the dangles off the side of the eyelet. So the first one is going to look like this. I've gone in and added on this one the moon and stars. This one said boo. You could also do eek. I really like the fact that a lot of these words can stand without having to worry about like their direction. But I'm going to do the stars and the moon because I just thought that was cute for that. And then I'm going to show you how I build these little bulb pins with some of these clay beads. So I'll start with pink and orange, and then I'm going to bring in a sequin as well. And I'm just going to alter every other one so that there's a pattern. So that it's going orange, pink, actually, nope, it has to go pink, orange, pink, orange, black. And that will give me a really cute look. I don't fill the bulb pin up completely, so that there is some room for movement and for attaching other things. And we're just going to keep repeating the pattern till we're happy with the number of items on here. And this will be the last one here. We'll end on the same color we started with. There we go. So now we can attach this in through here. So we've got the two there, and then I'm gonna poke it through and hang it off this side. Oh, I'm not loving the way that that's sitting. It's crushing my paper. Let's try closing it at the back so that it hangs off the edge. Just have to play with it a little bit. That's better. Okay, now, so we've got this cute dangle hanging off the edge. Now we're going to add the special touch of one of these Globeland charms. They're just such a perfect addition to this craft. I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to go with the green hat because there's so much green in this with Frankenstein, the ghoul friend, and just have to find a place to hang it off. So there, it can hang off of there. And that is looking amazing. I love it so much. It just adds another texture. If you watched my last video where I said the secret to my junk journaling and my crafting, and these could be used for junk journals, is definitely using the most amount of textures you can in a project. So that's great. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so happy with how that turned out. Okay, so on to the next one. So I've already created this for you. So I just used these. I can show you the kit that I have that has all sorts of letters and shapes. I focused on the moon and stars for these ones, but you can definitely spell out words, names. I had considered putting the name of the last name of the girl that I am sending this to, just because it's 3 letters, but I thought I would just do the moon and the stars. That is cute. Now we just have to decide where we want this one. So I'm not going to put it on the chimney because that's cute all the way on its own. I don't really want to cover up those words. I almost am tempted to put it in here off the side. There's a blank space there or here, but it would hang over the words. Let's just like play with what it would look like. I'm going to use this pumpkin charm. This little jack-o'-lantern on this one. I kind of like it there actually, but creepy looks good on you as hidden. So what if we move it down? How will it look here? Yeah, I think it actually has to go right here. And I'm actually even going to put it right off the edge there. So we're going to cut through our lace, and that's okay. I think it actually will be cute there. You want to go over far enough so that you've got some edge. Oh, it didn't cut through perfectly. Let's get my scissors here. You want to have some edge there. There we go. So that it has some good sturdiness to it. There you go. So it's kind of a trick. You want to get not too far from the edge because you want to make sure that you're going to have the pins hang off in a cute way. Then you also want to make sure that you aren't too close so that it's not stable. So for these, I really like the way that one turned out with hanging this first and then putting this off the edge. This is why it's nice to have that room where I haven't filled the entire pin up. Here we go. Let's see how that will sit. So that's cute there. And then I'm just gonna clip this on. Kind of like the idea of weighting it down. Wonder if this would work. Let's clip this part on here, weight that down. No, not liking it there. Let's try clipping it here. There. That's better. Cute. So it's hanging off the edge like that. So they're all different depending on how you position them on each other. Like this one here, I clipped much differently. I have a whole other pumpkin charm in as well. I used the ghost on there. And they turned out really cute. So you just have to play with each one and see how you like them. So we can put that like this. You can see them all hanging off their edge. So if you're interested in purchasing these Halloween charms or any of the other things that I received, I do have an unboxing where I show you all the other pens, and look at this stuck together. That's kind of neat. I'm going to leave that. I might be able to use that someday. All the other beads and things that I got from Globeland. I absolutely love their site, and I find them so cute to get all of these big chunky 20mm beads. They're just spectacular. I really love working with them. It was a collaboration, and they also have given me a discount code, so if you want to save 10% off your order. I will also leave the tutorial linked here in a video if you would like to see how I created these gorgeous spooky little houses. I am going to be doing a boxing of the happy mail that these are going out in, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you again next time.